Okay, bull ring and bull ring newbies. Today is Wednesday, August 17, 2022. So this is your market update. What happened today? Well, exactly what we thought was going to happen. Let me walk you through a few of the details. We said SPY was going to meet some resistance at this area, and sure enough it did, and it rejected down. Okay, so a few things going on here. I want to show you the RSI. We talked about the RSI yesterday and how this represents when the market is overbought. When it's at the bottom, it's oversold. So very overbought. As soon as it gets over the 70 mark, it's a good time to exit your trade if you have any trades, if you're day trading. But look at this, got rejected, very good. So what happened? We talked about this yesterday. Almost every stock we looked at was overbought. So I have a cool little chart here to show you guys. So let's start on the upper left-hand corner. Okay, we have Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft oversold, it's rejecting. Next one is SPX, same thing, it's rejecting. Next one's NDQ, NASDAQ, it's rejecting. Here we have Tesla, rejecting. Also Amazon and SPY. So what's going on? Nothing new. If you know technical analysis, okay, you know this is what happens in the market. As soon as something goes up, it'll start correcting itself and go down. So if you go back and look at SPY, okay, so I don't want you guys to worry and think that, oh my God, something's going on. No, this happens all the time. If you look at, let's go back over here, previous times. Market goes up, pulls back, it goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, okay? Same thing when it's going down, okay? It'll pull back and go down, pull back and go down. This time, it just happened to be going up, and it's time for a pullback, okay? So remember we talked about Coach's Lightning, okay? There it is, my Coach's Lightning line. All right, let me highlight this for you guys. And this is one of the greatest indicators I've used, and it helps me a lot to exit a trade. I'm going to turn off these candles just to give you a better visual. You can see when this indicator continues to go up and it bends and it starts bending, that's time for me to get out. That's what I do. Okay, if you want to learn more on this, let me know. I'll give you a link at the end where you can join me and I'll teach you for free. Okay, if I switch this to the 4 hour, okay, this is what it did in the last 4 hours. Look at that, it bent real good. Now, if I really want to see what happened hour by hour, why do I look at it hour by hour? Because the stock market trades for 6.5 hours. So that means I get 6.5 looks versus just one look here on the daily. So if I go to the hour, okay, you can see it started actually curling over. It tried to come up and then it stopped. Okay, so expect a pullback, but before you say, hey, I'm going to short my stock, I want to show you something real quick. Okay, last time the Fed released minutes, this is what happened in the market. So it was on July 6th, same time, 2 p.m. Okay, let me grab my little arrow here. So same time, about 2 p.m. Okay, and then the stock market started going down, and it went down on the next day for a little bit, and then it rallied up, okay, for about a day. And then after that, it just continued to pull back for about, I don't know, maybe 8 trading days there. So keep an eye out for that, okay? And if I turn off the candles here, you'll see the same thing. This was the pattern, okay? Pulled back, came up, met resistance. If you see this here, and I'll show you, this is a great example of the resistance line. See that? It met some resistance there as a stop, and then it pulled back down. Okay, so keep an eye out for that, but definitely we should see a pullback. If we don't see a pullback, I will be very surprised. So let's go through a few things that happened today that I want you to be really careful about. Okay, we had some news again. Okay, and here's the news that's going on. Stock market today ends lower after retail earnings and Fed minutes. That is baloney, baloney sandwich. This is all about technical analysis. Okay, if you look at your stock, okay, we just talked about this. We were due for a pullback. Okay, look at those RSIs. Okay, look at the 5-day moving average bending, and then another thing too, right? You've got some reversal hammers that were going on, and then now we've got, a lower low. So the news is going to tell you stuff, and you guys don't believe it. That's got nothing to do with the stock. Okay. Here's another one. I like this one too. It's makes me laugh. U.S. stocks. Wall Street cuts losses following Fed minutes. Not at all. It was already pulling back from the get-go. If you guys followed it from the morning, the stock kept going down, kept going down. It's got nothing to do with what the Fed gave us. They gave us 75 basis point. They're going to do next month. No surprises there. They've been talking about it, and we knew it was coming. It had nothing to do with the stock market today. All right, here's another piece of news. Now this is good news, okay? This is real news, I should say. So Fed sees interest rate hikes continuing until inflation eases. So he's telling you in the minutes what he's going to do, okay, or the Fed is. And then up here, Dow closes lower Wednesday to end a 5-day win streak. Wall Street Mo's new retail data. So they're calling it. It was a win streak. Now, guess what? We're going to pull back. And that's what's really going on, because technical analysis will tell you that the stock at some point is overbought and is going to pull back. Okay? So make sure you don't believe that this is causing the stocks to go down. Rely on your technical analysis. If you don't understand how to do technical analysis, I'm going to hit you up with a link in the description. And if you like what you've seen so far, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe. And again, let's go through this. 30 days free. 30 days free at the Bull Ring Trading. So you will get a list of items that you get for free 30 days with the team. So make sure you click on the link, come visit us, and see how the team can teach you more than what you probably already know. But at the same time, there's nothing wrong with learning new things. So come join us if you need some help. And then one more thing I want to share with you guys here. Okay, and here we go. This is our website. If you go to bullringtrading.com, okay, and then scroll all the way down, okay, while you're going down, you can look at the different packages we have here. Bull Ring Trading, the top package for $149. That's the one you get free for 30 days. Go through it, then come down here where it says subscribe to our emails, and go ahead and enter your email. And then I will send you a link if you didn't find the one in the description. And then once you subscribe, you're also going to get a watch list, and you will get some swing lists for trades. And if you come join us in the room, I will definitely show you how to enter and exit those trades. So I hope this helps. Just a reminder, if you like the video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow.